Hi, Mike. My name. You recently recovered my iPhone SE,
Yeah.
and I just wanted to call and say thank you because I had
You're
literally
welcome.
nothing left of my father, like his voice, and so It's taken me a while to call you, but I know you put everything on the USB, and then I was also able to turn the phone on, so I literally took
Yeah.
every voicemail off of there, and I can't
Mhm.
tell you how much it means to me. So I just called to say thank you. That's really all I called to say.
I really appreciate the call, and I'm really glad that we were able to help you out.
I've already
Yeah, I mean,
referred you to 3 other people. You guys are you're truly helpful and amazing and wonderful, and I can't believe you did it for $300 because I was ready to pay like
yeah.
$1,800 to all these companies. So, thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't thank you enough. I'm at work, so I don't want to start crying, but I can't thank you enough for being able to give me the gift of having his voice again. So it's like
That
it was worth every penny, and I told my husband I would have paid you quadruple. I was like, I wish I could see this guy and like hug him and hold him, tell him how much it means to me. So
well, yeah, thank you, and yeah, thank you for the call, actually, and I guess it reaffirms what we do and how we can help you guys, and
yeah, but it means the
and
world to me. So thank you so very much. I really do appreciate it.